Spain has actually had marriage equality ever since Canada has.
July 2005.
Hey, it's Josh.
And Heath.
And welcome to Barcelona, the capital of Spain's Catalonia region, and the only city to ever receive the Royal Gold Medal for architecture.
Which is normally just given to people.
Yeah, so it's a city that has a ton to offer tourists, and it's a very gay-friendly destination as well. And we're gonna go check some of it out.
So to start things off, we stayed at the Axel Hotel Barcelona in an area known as Gay Sample because it is the gay area, really, of the city. And there are 105 rooms in this hotel. It's basically a gay hotel, although they say they are hetero-friendly as well. And there is a big gym here, there's a restaurant, and you can have a pretty good breakfast in the morning, and there is a sky bar on the rooftop with a pool. And then the main way that we got around the city was with the Barcelona Bus Touristic. So you can get a 1 or a 2 day pass, and it's a hop on, hop off kind of thing. Over 30 different stops, 3 different routes. Takes you to so many attractions all over the city, and there's commentary along the way as well, which you can listen to through multiple languages with some earbuds that they give you. So it was just a really convenient, easy way to get around the city and see so many different things. And while we were there was also a medieval fair going on. So this was taking place along the Plaza de Sants, this long street, many blocks long, just tons and tons of vendors selling everything you could think of, really. All kinds of food, but also all kinds of items, lots of different things for gifts or for yourself. There are also performances going on. Every now and then there'd be people in costume walking around. So it was just really cool to experience this. It was taking place for, I believe, 3 days. It just happened to be while we were there. And we got to have lots of yummy food and get cool little gifts.
So we definitely feel comfortable here as a gay couple. Spain has actually had marriage equality ever since Canada has.
July 2005.
Yeah. So it's been a part of life here for over 13 years. And in the summer, there's of course the Pride Festival. There's also a huge gay circuit festival.
The largest in the world.
Yeah. And there's all kinds of clubs. So you can really decide how gay you want your trip to be. But this time around, we're going to stick to more of the mainstream attractions. So let's go check some more of them out.
And next for us was the Venetian Towers, which starts the Avenida de la Reina Maria Cristina, which is the street that leads up to the National Art Museum of Catalonia. It's just a great little street to walk along, a beautiful fountain. You can even take an escalator up instead of the stairs, and you get incredible views of the city. But you also have to leave the city while you're there to take a quick trip over to Sitges. It's this small town that's about 35 kilometers southwest of Barcelona, and in the compact old town area, there's all kinds of shops and restaurants. There's gay bars and nightclubs. So whatever you want to eat or drink or shop for, you can probably find here. I found some great clothes for myself. Thought I did for Heath too, but he wasn't really into it. And there's about a dozen beaches in the town, including a few nude ones. There's one that's actually a gay nude beach, but the weather wasn't quite right this time of year, so we'll just have to go back.
And that's the first half of our visit to Barcelona. There is so much to see here. We're gonna have another video.
So subscribe if you're new.
Yeah, and come back on Thursday because we're gonna do a hotel hangout with Heath's sister visiting us here in Barcelona because she lives in Europe. Bye.
Bye.